prediction that the sun's going to break through by the time we get there. We've got a good hour's drive to get there, and we are going to what's it called again? Campo Mar, which is just at the end of Guadamar Beach. So we're just heading there now. We've got some lunch packed, plenty of drinks, sun cream, beach toys. We've got like that Velcro snatch game. Did you have that when you were little? Yeah. I think everyone had that, like growing up in the 90s. So it's like a little Velcro pad and a ball that the kids hopefully will be able to work between them. We didn't vlog yesterday. We just had a day around the pool. Yeah, it's a bit boring, not really much to film. Although we did have fun, yeah, but it wouldn't have made very good footage for people at home. Yeah, Summer's gone really good in the water, haven't you, Summer?
Yeah, and I kept Ellis and I kept dropping his goggles in the pool, and we waited for them to go to the bottom, then I'd have to go swim.
On the way to anywhere that's long distance in Spain, it's tradition that the last 2 years we've played the Disney game. So we go through the alphabet and we either think of a show, a character or a ride at Disney World. But now the kids are a bit older, we've narrowed it down to just characters, and to make it a little bit more difficult because it was getting a bit too easy, wasn't it? And Summer is stuck on...
Not Lilo, but comment down below a character begin with Alex and stuff for ages.
Yeah, so if anybody can help Summer out with an L, she'd be most grateful. Are you looking forward to the beach today?
Yeah.
Yeah, what are you looking forward to?
Making a gigantic sand castle like I did in London.
Okay, Ellis?
I'm excited to make a giant sand castle.
Hopefully the sun's going to come out as well, isn't it?
Oh, I'm going to bury the GoPro.
You're not going to bury the GoPro.
Yeah.
Okay then, so let's carry on playing the game, yeah?
Oh yeah.
So it's now 12 o'clock, we've just arrived at the beach. We've just got the kids sun creamed up and they're currently playing in the sand. So we're just having a chillax now. The sun is still in. It's just peeking out behind the clouds, so hopefully that will come out any minute. And then we're going to go have our lunch on the beach, and the kids hopefully can play in the sea if the sun comes out. So we'll just show you what they're doing.
Walk me in the morning sun, tell me I'm a lucky one. I'm riding on the wave of an ocean that I could be brave. Is there anything good on the radio? Turn it up loud and let me know how it used to be before anyone heard of you and me. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great, running out of town just to celebrate. The fortune's here to stay, a one-way ticket to a better day. A rocking chair and a glass of wine in the shade of a tree, and I'm feeling fine. There's not a lot to ask when life is going by so fast. One breath away, step up and say, hold on to what is real. The love you feel is like water in a glass. Don't try to separate the ones you hate from the ones that you don't know, 'cause there's a part of you that never could let go.
So this is our little spot for the day. Kids have been doing some sand sculpting. Kids have been doing some sandcastles. Stu's having a relax on his new chair. well and truly come out now. It is a scorch of an afternoon. Stu and Simmer are just playing in the sea. The sea is so lovely and warm. It's a bit cool when you first getting in, but after a bit it just feels like a nice warm bath. So cute. Waves are a bit choppy, there's no lifeguard down here though, so have to be on guard when the kids are playing in the sea. Ellis is just enjoying his little afternoon siesta. She often has one of these when we come down to the beach in Spain. Bless him. He's just too perfect. Lying under the parasol, not a care in the world. It's gone pretty quiet now, the beach, I think because it's siesta time here in Spain. The beach has gone a lot quieter now. Just pan the camera around so you can see. So this beach is around about 1 hour 15 minutes from my mum and dad's villa. And it's just the end of Guadamar Beach. So you've got Guadamar, you come right to the end of Guadamar Beach and carry on. And you come to this beach and it's so much quieter. That's why we come here, so we can get a good spot close to the sea. So we can keep a really good eye on the kids here. So, the kids have decided that they want to do, what's it called?
Sandman challenge.
The Sandman challenge. And first of all,
You go to the sea, you get wet, so all the sand sticks to you. Then you rub your body in all the sand, and you guys, or in the comments, you'll either say Summer or Ellis, and you vote on the one who is the sandiest.
and we're giving you how many seconds to roll in the sand afterwards? 15 seconds to get as much sand stuck to your body as possible. So you've got 10 seconds to get in the water now. When your feet touch the water, you've got 10 seconds. Okay, then you've got to come out and you get 15 seconds in the sand. Ready, steady, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, wait, 7, 8, 9, 10, wait, Alice. Ready, and your time starts now. I'll count you down when you've got 5 seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, up, stand up. Right, let's have a look at you. Oh my goodness, come closer. Closer, so, Summer, do a twirl. So that's Summer and Ellis, do a twirl. Right, so you've got to vote. Summer or Ellis, who is the sandiest? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go wash it off. That'd be more worthwhile though. Are you all clean now? You all clean? Yeah. Are you doing it again? Last go then, because we need to get you dried now to get back in the car from the way home. What is she doing? Got a good day today then?
Yeah.
What we're going to do now, we're going to leave the beach now. We're going to get dry, leave the beach, and we're going to get some drinks, I think. Head to the supermarket to get some snacks and ice cream. And then we've got a barbecue planned tonight, haven't we, Alice?
Yeah.
At the villa, which will be yummy as always.
Yeah.
So, gonna have one last dry off then. So we've just stopped off at the supermarket now on the way back from the beach. We've just sent Stuart in to get some supplies. So what's he gone to get? Ice cream, really important things. Ice cream, guacamole, nachos, chipsticks, because you can only get them here. And what else was it? Oh, some baguettes for lunches. So we've just stopped at Mercadona, which is my favourite supermarket here in Spain. We've just sent Stuart in and we're waiting for him to come back. So we're just sitting in the car park now, waiting for Stu. He's somewhere in the supermarket. So we'll see if he comes out and gets what we've asked for. He's already called me once to check on the chipsticks, so we better have got them. Because I can't get them back home. They used to do them back home. And now I can only get them at this Mercadona in Spain. And I absolutely love them. In fact, I'm going to text him, I'm going to tell him to get me 2 bags or 3. I'm going to do that now. I've just suddenly thought, I don't know why that I've not asked my mum to bring these chipsticks home, and the kids are laughing because I can't get my words out. Here he comes. Did you get the chipsticks? Did you get the chipsticks? Ooh, he's a man of mystery. Stuart, did you get the chipsticks?
I've got something.
Show me what they are. I've just been telling the guys about the chipsticks.
Yeah, I've got them.
Oh my gosh, please. No!
That's what I've
Oh, no.
got. So kids, what have we just done?
So we've just moved the car.
So Mummy's in the shop
Mum's gone in the shop.
and we've moved
And
to a
we've
different
moved
spot
to
in
a
the car
different
park.
spot in the car park, so she'll get really worried when she sees that we're not in the same spot.
So that car there is going to block as well. That's even better.
Yeah, that's... Oh, is it? No.
Oh, there she is. Let's see if she spots us.
So after that prank, which they thought was very funny, very immature I thought, I actually managed to find the chipsticks right next to the ones that Stuart bought. So if you want a job doing, do it yourself. Chipsticks. Chipsticks. Chipsticks.
You guys.
Dipstick. So we've just gone over the mountain now and we're just heading back to the villa where we're going to have a nice barbecue for the evening, so I'll show you more from the food when we get back to the villa.
Watch out, because Grace will be in.
Can't see her.
Hi everyone, and what time is it, Dad? It's now 7:30, and we've just eaten dinner on the barbecue. I'll show you. There's one burger left. There. And there's the one burger. So, yeah, I just had a nice dinner. Lovely dinner on the barbecue. And now, we're just waiting for our food to go down, and then we can go for a little dip in the pool. Should we show you? Okay, should we show you the pool? There. Zoom in a bit. How do you zoom in? And Yes, so today we went to the beach and also we went in the sea and we had fun and the wave Lily took me in and me and Daddy went a few miles out, about 1 mile out or 2. I'm not sure, but but yeah, so we went to there and then we came home and I got into my swimming costume and yeah, we're going to go in the pool, so Gracie. Gracie hugs. I love Gracie.
So we're just having a game of tension. It's a game where you split into teams and there's some orange cards and purple cards and the adults pick the purple cards and the children pick the orange cards, and you've got a minute basically to try and get as many from your topic card as possible. So I'll show you an example. So for example, this adult one is fish and chip shop menu items.
I'd have done well on that.
Stu's just realised that would have been his and he'd have done really well. So you have to try and get as many as you can from the little ticker thing in the 1 minute as possible, and then you get scores, and then you go around this leaderboard, and it's really, really fun game actually, isn't it, something? At the moment, Mummy and Summer are orangey red, and Daddy and Alice are blue.
I'm cheating
We're gonna
because
win,
when
aren't
I'm
we?
going to get a good go, you don't let me have it.
So, let's play the game.
Mummy, it's my turn, remember?
I'm lonely, I'm starting to grow old, and I thought my youth would last forever. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you, because now I see